Are you a life coach or healer who's looking to find paying clients for your life coaching program? Hey, don't worry, I got you covered in this video.
We all win when we all win. We all win when we all win.
Hey there, my friend, it's Super Sid,
the Marketing Shaman.
and I help life coaches and healers make their first or next 100K with profitable presentations. And today, I'm gonna go over with you specifically how you can find your next clients for your life coaching program. We're specifically gonna go over 3 specific things that I go over with my paying clients when they come and work with me so that they can make their first or next 100K for their life coach and healing business. Let's rock and roll. So the first thing we really wanna go over is specifically going over identification, right? We want to identify who it is that we are looking to work with. What problems do they have? But who is that specific who and what problem do they have that we have that solution for? How are we going to help them? How are we going to help heal them? And what exactly are they needing right now? Now, when we go in and we look for our who, it's really broken down into 3 specific things. We look to identify our who, and we have a specific identifying worksheet that we want to go through, really identifying the core problem overall of what it is that they need help with. And then we want to go through and really then identify the messaging through that problem so that we can build messaging around how it is that we can help them. And then really what the last part of this is creating an offer. Most life coaches do this wrong by selling themselves, and selling their time, and they just do one-on-one calls with people, and they can only work with like 6 or 7 people, which really puts them at a ceiling of being able to be how much people they can help and help heal. So understanding the type of offers that we can put out there that's really gonna answer the questions that they have in their head, that's gonna help you get information out to them, that's going to help them to get the quick wins and the help that they can get, but helping you do it at mass so that you don't have to spend all of your waking time on one-on-one calls, because that one-on-one call business is gonna absolutely burn you out insanely fast. So we wanna create offers that are gonna talk to the who and talk to the people that need our help, but we need to create those offers that are also going to fill in the gaps that are going to help them a lot more than just the one-on-one calls that we're providing them with basically the vertical superpower that we're providing them and everybody else. Everybody's different, and everybody has those internal and those external things that they're scared of that your thing is not going to help them with. So we need to make sure we fill in those gaps and help those people with all the questions that they have, not just the one vertical item of how it is that you can help them one-on-one with your time. Before I go into how you can really throw gasoline on the fire and find your prospects and your next clients fast, I want to remind you to subscribe to this channel. I'm putting out new and exciting videos every single day showing life coaches and healers how to make their first or next 100K in their life coach and healing business. Click that link below and subscribe. All right, so let's go into the second piece of this. And the second piece of this is distribution. How are we going to get that message, that offer, How are we gonna get that in front of people who need our help? And there's multiple ways that we need to do that, but the first way we really need to talk about this is the positioning, Positioning and the prospecting. How are we gonna get this positioned, Specifically next to the people that are exiting, that thing and have that problem that you can solve, and they're looking to get to that destination that you can help them get to, That you can guide them to get to, How are we going to distribute these messages? And what we really want to do is really going back to our who, Going back to the identify part. Where are they, Looking for the answers to the problems that they have, A lot of times it's social media, but I think the big problem is people just go to social media. I'm on Facebook, I'm gonna go to Facebook and I'm gonna post, but none of the eyeballs might not be on Facebook. A lot of people really make this mistake on Facebook groups. They just go into random Facebook groups, or they go into Facebook groups with other people just like them, or people who, say they're a life coach. They get into other life coaching groups because they figure life coaches are coming, but people who need their help coming, but they're coming in to see the life coach who runs the group, not you. You're going uphill. It makes it very, very difficult. And I actually shot a video specifically talking about how to find clients in Facebook groups. So make sure to watch that on my channel. But specifically what we want to do is we want to figure out where are the eyeballs at? Where are those eyeballs at of the people who have the problem that are looking for our solution? So when we can really find where those eyeballs are at, the distribution part becomes easy. So understanding where we can distribute the message, The content, the stuff we are putting out there, so that we can start showing people and demonstrating to people exactly how we can help them through showing them how we can help them and getting that message distributed out so the eyeballs can see that message and can see those consistent messages of how we can help them. So now you're getting your message out in front of people who need your help on social media, right? They need your help online, they need your help on social media, they need your help out in the marketplace, wherever that marketplace is. It could be social media, it could not be social media, but wherever it is, the eyeballs, right, that have a problem, that need the help with your solution, right, can see your message. Like, that's the point. But now how do we convert them into clients, right? Prospects are people who are interested is one thing, but how do we convert them into clients, right? Interest doesn't pay the bills, right? We got to convert them into clients. So how do we do that? And what way we do this is through profitable presentations. We're consistently putting on profitable presentations, demonstrating exactly how we can help people through demonstration of how we can help people. And there's lots of types of presentations. I think a lot of people think of presentation, they think of one thing, but there's multiple types of presentations, like summits, right? Like workshops, like master classes, like web classes. Like, there's so many ways that you can put on a presentation, whether it's recorded or it's live, but you can put on a presentation that's going to allow you to demonstrate at mass, right? At mass, without having to go and do one-on-one demonstrations on one-on-one calls, one-on-one consult calls, wasting your time with people who really you don't even know if they need your help, right? Or to waste 10 hours a day on calls. Your job's to go out there as a life coach and help people who need your help, not go out there and spend time, on calls all day, right? And if we can do this at mass, we're going to be able to convert people at mass, and we're going to be able to help people at mass. And as life coaches and healers, we devoted our superpowers, right? We devoted the things that we can help people with and help people heal with, right? And we devoted our time to go out and help as many people as we could that needed our help. So by doing it at mass, this helps us do it, and we do it with profitable presentations. Are you a life coach or healer who's looking to make your first or next 100K online so that you can go out there and be a life coach and healer full-time and help heal the world full-time? Well, then I'm about to throw on a workshop showing you exactly how you can do just that so that you can make your first or next 100K in the next year. And you can right now sign up for this workshop by heading to www.100kjourney.com/register, or simply just click that link down in the comments. And don't forget, we all win when we all win. I choose to win today, and I hope you choose to win by clicking on that link in the description and coming and hanging out with us in our free workshop real soon. We'll see you next time.